Check.
My mama gave me an Easter basket. Hold on. Oh, hey y'all. Welcome to the vlog.
Oh, you got the good stuff.
I believe this egg has $1 million in it.
We're flying to Philadelphia. Oh, hell no!
Whoa. This is a good candy. It's crazy because it's all the type of fruity candies I like. You know, I'm like moved up to the elderly community because I don't really like chocolate like that. I'm more of a fruity type of eat candy, like eat fruit candies and stuff.
I ain't gonna tell you a joke, and I ain't gonna tell you a lie. Give me all of them. I want 10 of them.
Oh my God. Say hey, Deja.
Hey,
What you getting your egg?
I got some jelly beans and a Reese's cup.
Oh yeah. Let me tell you what Mama. You was trying to eat the egg. You said you had to hurry up and make the eggs because you wasn't gonna be able to stop eating the candy. Cause she was like, let me hurry up and make these.
I put this over here.
What is it?
This is Whoppers, jelly beans, penny candies, more Reese's. Y'all welcome to.
Cause you gonna turn up over
like,
there?
what they call them eggs? What they call a Whopper? They turn them into eggs.
Oh.
That's what this is.
Okay, look good.
So y'all welcome to some of this over here too. This
Not her saying diabetes unite.
This is my centerpiece here. You welcome to any of it over here.
Okay.
So we're here eating Easter. It's Easter. This will be the next vlog because y'all know.
They wanted to match my fly today.
Oh, they're gang members.
We not.
Oh.
I don't know what you talking about. Let's be well, no, I don't work for Stack. I work for Smoke.
You are stacked because you red.
Yeah. I work for Smoke though.
I don't know. Oh, we saw Sinners. Let's not spoil the movie for nobody.
Yeah.
It's 4:20 today. I was supposed to listen to Wiz Khalifa, Cushion OJ 2 point to part 2. But it is 4:20 today, so I guess happy Easter and happy 420. Somebody probably done had about 5 plates. Somebody probably done had about 5 plates and then smoked up.
Alright, I'm gonna go home, Grandma.
No, you're not. You got too many plates. Put that back.
What's wrong with you?
You need to put that back.
Get in there and get through frying them drum eggs.
What? Did you just tell me, Jamarcus?
They really happy. Me?
Then the uncle come and beat up the nephew.
Maybe an Easter show.
Easter brawl on 420. That's terrible. She just gave me some credible news.
You come back around here, 10. Yeah. Yeah.
So I have. What does that give me on the auntie Denise scale?
Grandma.
Granny.
I'm Bird almost burned the house down.
Big Mama, your arm. Mama.
So my macaroni is a 10.
Negro he is giving up out my shit, smiling.
Oh, talk about that bunny.
Yeah.
So, let me see the bunny. Let me see the bunny.
She going back up after this. I gotta clean up.
That's our family member, y'all. She comes out once a year. What's your name? Okay.
I ain't got nothing to play with.
So,
I had it. That's good.
Child doing what he do.
I told Leisha the secret to the macaroni. I might tell y'all. It's from TikTok, but y'all should know. That's my plate. I'm about to eat Leisha's dress. Oh, Lord, what's it called? Roast. All right.
Very delicious.
You get the first bite.
Yeah, I like
Yeah, okay, good. Thank you, Tammy.
It's good.
I know your big brother to bring me something.
Yeah, it's
Your
good.
baby brother.
Yeah, I got them right over there.
I don't eat meat. I don't eat red meat like that, but it's good. I give it a 10.
Thank you.
Got a lot of flavor. What you put on there? Who is Shelby?
Pepperoncini peppers, red seasoning, I just seasoning,
I can taste that, right?
garlic powder.
Yeah, mama.
You can put
And that's it. And just the rest. Some people put butter in it, but I don't do all that.
butter.
Mom said every penny counts. Oh, we got jelly beans and what is all that? That's cute.
Okay, let's taste the greens. They cost $50.
Tell me what baby girl is.
She said her mom wanted to spend time with her.
Not sleepy kid now.
Yeah.
I told you had eat the basket over there, bro.
Yeah.
Here go your Here you go.
Oh. Thank you, Holy.
The greens was not worth $50.
They're not worth it.
It's good though, but it's not worth $50. They should have told Dula. They should have told Dula to pay $32.
It is what it is. It's gone and nobody talking. You learn it. Dad, what you got in the bag?
She could have made it.
They gave me a wrong. I didn't order that, but you know you can't take the food back. I told him I didn't order no Cajun biscuit. So he I told him chicken and the
The
biscuit.
truth hurts.
But he gave me the wrong thing. But you know they can't take food. 10.
A 10 for the macaroni.
10 for the mac. 10 for potato salad. 10 for everything.
And that's who made his potato salad. We becoming the aunties of the family.
We 30
Deja
now.
got the cookies. And I'm looking for a job on Sunday.
Now next holiday we gotta find somebody that can grill. So I gotta give me a husband that can grill. Give me a husband that can grill on that grill. Since I can cook the sides, gotta cook the meat. This is the after results of the plate. I would say I ate about 75% of the plate.
Once that's gone, see, I'm like,
They trying it, y'all.
you video on it?
Terrified.
That's the sandwich, I think.
Get the cakes out behind your back there too. You're welcome to a cake, Mama Love. And then you too, Mama.
Those cakes are good.
You tell me once.
I'm looking at Deja's expression.
That's all.
I be nervous when them two be taste testing.
Yeah, they look.
I be very nervous, especially if he one on this end.
Lacey be sick.
Lady needs to be on top.
I don't want to hurt
She
nobody.
sure do.
I don't want to get no more
They
content.
must be putting that black
I
coal
like
on.
the crunchy part. I don't like the strawberry.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. I don't like it with the strawberries, but I like the
Crunchy part.
chocolate part. But I don't like the
I
strawberries.
think a lot of people make it without the fruit.
I feel like the strawberries could be sweeter. I didn't put through the wrong strawberries.
So some
Feel like
reason
they
they
took
like
long.
the strawberries.
I'm not
I
good
think it
at
would be
mixed
good without the
strawberries.
strawberries.
I don't like
Texture.
the crunchy part.
I just don't like it.
I get that like a
Everybody don't like it. Everybody don't like everything.
Give it 8.
It's really different.
And that tahini sauce and that chocolate and them things, that crunchy stuff is good.
Now I'm gonna tell y'all who told me to make it. Mama.
That's not nasty, huh?
No, it ain't nasty. It's just different. It's just very, very different.
You made it on your own. You told me.
No, she told me. She said, "I think you should make everybody some of that." I was like, "Mama, I don't." I was like, "Mama, I don't think that's gonna be good for them because I don't think they like stuff like
I
that."
don't like the
cakes are
strawberries,
hard.
but everything else I like.
Everything else was good. The strawberries.
Yeah, because the strawberries kind of soggy a little.
Yeah.
I just don't, I'm not a big strawberry person anyways, but this is yummy. I give it an 8. It ain't nothing to be like, I'm gonna talk AKA Virgo. That's good.
It's different.
Yeah, it's different. But I like it. Like, I think I would like to eat that chocolate bar.
Cause I got the
Me too,
mold
like-
to make the chocolate.
You said they quit making the bar? They don't do it?
No, they made the bar. What's that?
Oh, they do make it.
Pass the cake.
Where you get it at? I mean,
I don't know where you get it from, but I can actually make the chocolate bar.
Oh, TikTok.
You can make the chocolate bar. I have the mold, but I just didn't make it because
Ryan Coogler
I use a lot of
and
chocolate.
Michael B. Jordan Trimmer's top office at $45 million. The film is
Collard greens, green beans, cheese, and potato. Neck bone grits, right?
So we done eating. We just chilling. The Dubai chocolates was a hit or miss, you know. Family, they weren't fucking with it like that. You know what I'm saying? We gotta redeem ourselves. You know, I don't know what to tell you. When I be on myself though, I be tearing that thing up. I think we're gonna play a game in a little bit. We'll see. Me and my baby. Happy Easter. What? What did she just say? I never heard her talk like that before. What are you?
She's not a Christian!
She could be a Jew and believe in
It
God.
doesn't matter. She's tampering in dark-sided stuff. Yes, she did. The entire house is dark-sided.
She said her whole house is...
She is dark-sided too.
Oh my God! I don't think okay.
I don't want to drop.
Let me see the eggs.
Cute. Behold the eggs that grandma
I'm
died.
gonna put my hand where the empty one at.
Wow. Okay, good. They look good.
Cute.
Everybody got
But that's not the
Why you used to live at Grandma?
If they were,
Oh,
it was
over there.
somewhere where you couldn't see them. I thought I saw one of them go back this way.
for some reason, I thought it was gonna have like more like
With that tall man,
It tastes like-
they couldn't sit over there.
Okay, so boom, the pistachios,
Mhm.
See, they got certain
so it got like a nutty,
them and
Mhm.
everybody go that way.
a little bit salty type flavor.
Mhm.
The strawberry, you kind of give it a hint of a little bit of sweetness.
Big fat man.
Something in there, that chocolate.
Mhm.
It's that chocolate.
And the stuff that's like the little doughy thing, that's like the stuff they use for baklava when they make like baklava.
Grandma being heavy.
If you ever had that.
No.
I ain't never had no
You said
baklava.
something aqua.
Had a strawberry.
Oh, yeah.
Praise and worship.
Like strawberry.
Yeah.
That's where you sing on the choir we was on.
It kind of like a Rice Krispie type of vibe.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's what it
You
tastes
did
like.
that
Like a
when
Rice
that black
Krispie, a
woman
frosted
had
Rice
all
Krispie,
of
like
them.
a strawberry frosted chocolate
That's
Rice
way
Krispie.
back. I remember that.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
That wasn't bad.
It's different.
I think in my head, it just, I didn't think it would taste like.
Mhm.
So 1 to 10, what would you give it? I give it a 7.
Oh, I'm
7.5.
about to be
Look, at least somebody tried it.
But honestly, though, probably maybe if it was a different flavor other than strawberry.
That woman you beat
I might,
with
That's not bad.
Thanks for trying.
yeah, I seen him around today.
The Easter Bunny is here to clock in. I know they do not want to deal with them kids.